Bende sama mango ne dhi nyime jokanyo duond buch siasa mano mar Wiper korni ogolo kwayo makende ne jatend duond bura nogo migosi Kalonzo Musyoka mondo mi obi one ni chenrogo mag welo mibiro tim e duond burano kata nominations obiro tim e yorno man thuolo kendo makare. Jokanyo ka korni ne wuoyo giwacho ni ok en gino mabiro bedo maber mondo mi gibed kanyo koda chochni wero ni duond bura nogo geto biro ikore ne piem maduong' e yiero mahigano manyien. Ne giwuoyo kawuono gweno mano mar Ndaisi kata ka ne oting'o kanyo kod Ndaisi Kipanga en jal mochung' ne ndiko jokanyo duond bura nogo mar Wiper ne giwacho ni gidwaro mondo wel makamago bi otim makare mar miyogi ikruok mowinjore. Kama bende ginyiso migosi Kalonzo Musyoka ni kik yie kod oledhi moko rwaki e chenrono mamano ka ipo notimore to nyalo biro ng'ikogi ne ikruok ne yiero mabiro.
Organized this recruitment drive for the party, particularly focusing on the youth, who are a big majority of the population in Mavoko constituency. I think this is a very good idea in terms of growing the party numbers, but also in terms of getting the youth to be actively involved in politics. There's been a lot of change. There's been clarion call for the youth to get actively involved in the change that they want, in all the development initiatives that they want, and therefore I chose this platform so that I can have them engaged and have them participate, and to also get their views on what they would like for us to do or for me to do once I become the Member of Parliament for Mavoko.
My name is Ngovi. Ngovi works with the county government of Machakos as the Chief of Staff. The number of years Kalonzo has been out trying to fight for fairness in this country, no other member of the united opposition has really been able to sacrifice as much as Kalonzo has been able to sacrifice. When you listen from people from Nyanza, they are saying a time has come for them to pay the debt, because Kalonzo has been able to stand and support Laila for the last 15 years. Kalonzo was there supporting Kibaki. Kalonzo was there supporting democracy in this country.
Umoja Julius, I'm the National Youth Leader of Wiper Party, and we are here for an exercise where we are doing the Wiper membership recruitment drive. Wiper membership recruitment drive, we are boosting the numbers of the registered members of the Wiper. This one does not only happen in the Mavoko constituency today, it also reflects whatever is happening in the whole country. Because our target as a Wiper party, we need more than 1 million registered members as a party, because we are going for the presidential race in 2027. Secondly, here the clarion call for the fair nomination. No, Wiper party is works under the ideology of the Social Democrat Party, and therefore all registered members were going to adhere to the party constitution, whereby we are supposed to it articulates on how